Federal Republic of Nigeria, His Excellency Muhammadu Buhari, Grand Commander of the Federal Republic. Hip, hip, hip! Hooray! Hip, hip, hip! Hooray! Hip, hip, hip! Hooray! Right! Would it please headrest?
Back with the troops. May I, at this juncture, invite the Chief of Defense Staff to lead the special guest, the President Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
wajen da yake zama shi yana controlling leader da wani ya fara